Hello. And welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is Viggy. En ik maak live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. I'm back to the antique video. If you don't mind, give me hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed,
what are you doing?
hit the subscribe button.
Don't hide, show me what's inside. Don't fade. Midnight wrapping on my skin. Tell me where do you begin? Water running
All right.
deep below. No sound. but
Yankee
I feel
D.
it flow.
Good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome.
Underneath my feet, reach out and
Sounds like I get in the free hand, I would say.
presence feels the cold.
So that chilly, warme
All the
wetter.
promises we couldn't keep. If you leave, I still feel every shadow, every real echo.
Bam, bam. Bidi, bidi, bip, 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 bip.
Between echoes, echoes,
Echoes.
echoes, in between echoes, echoes,
Hold on.
echoes, echoes, in between echoes, echoes.
Bidi, 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 bidi. Wieso ist dann zu früh, Yankee? Bidi, 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 bidi. Deze de afro music was thoroughly green gered. Dus het is maar echt noos gehoord of de some reviewed in de free.
We are still dancing in the space between.
Bada bada bow.
Fall into the rain tonight.
Oh, het vader ga je nu weer lachen zo. This is absolutely positively 100%ly
Fall into the rain.
nicht financial advice. So please be very careful. Dan maak je direct naar alles wat hij haast. Vergeet ik wie hij haast. Yankee, what was that? Send paparazzi for 800 joules. What is that, Yankee? Thank you so much. Not exactly sure what it is, but I'll take it. Music Manic. Good morning, how you doing? Hello and welcome. Boss Nation, how you be? GG Morgan. What's going on? Danke, what's it does? I mean, I appreciate it, but I'm just not saying. I'll take it, I'll take it. And by the way, the clubbing dude, you don't mind. So give my hit the like button. Ba, 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 ba. Music Manning, how is you? This is dan free, Boss Nation. This is dan free. Crude oil, $91. So getraskoid. Zilber, $81.
Water calling from below, pulling me into the flow. In the silence I can hear something ancient drawing near. Rainfall, rainfall, feel it, hear the call. Rainfall, rainfall, let it take it all.
Gold, 4,700.
There's no fear inside the flow. There's no need to fight it now. Just surrender to the sound.
The was?
Let the rhythm
Not
pull
sure.
you down.
There is Pisa.
Fall into the
Music, I'm not reading it. I don't know, it came up and I have a jewel. I pressed it. And then there was a few options to send. I think usually they cost money. Ah, nice. Interesting. I guess I tried to machen do na Zachenes. But what's the Zilbert? $81. The airspace going good? Sense the sunshine, Jules. All right. Some of Deep Sunshine. So Yankee T, thank you. Bitcoin 81,000.
There is a space.
There is a space
between the sound where the rhythm begins to breathe. Feel it under your skin.
Der nächtige Live habe ich reviewed Srully Green. Ich gewähnt auf Schmillikast. Es hat so Geschmack zu hören, einer, was ist offen. You know. I liked it very, very much. Habe es stark enjoyed.
Your hands on my skin.
Wenn einer wird, kann ich nicht in der Wort vulnerable, but that is the idea.
No words, just feel.
But I guess I'll sit him at the end. Yankee T used all his jewels. All right. Thank you for using Nana Jewels mit Viggy. Appreciate it.
Don't break the groove. Stay right here, don't change. We're in the same. Under your touch. Don't let it fade.
Truly sounded the weird and honest. Yes. We never gezogen. Stark lief gehad. Because it felt like you're talking to someone that has normal life, you know. Is ook dat stukje famous. En we zijn deal damit. So. Sige Schmack. Like of them zaak. Yankee T used up all his jewels. The jewels had me gegeben fuels. You know what I mean?
Between two heartbeats, we disappear. Your breath on my face, I feel you near.
Hold on a second.
Nothing to hold, only the night. We falling slow, out of the light. Don't pull away, stay close. Don't lose the space, don't go. Time goes quiet, we fall in, skin on skin again. Heartbeat. I feel you. Even when the world goes quiet. Low light, shadows on your skin. Slow fire, pulling me within. No words, but I hear it clear. Your rhythm, drawing me near. Don't speak, just breathe. Don't move, just feel. Don't break the space. We're in the silence. I find you in the silence. Feel you silence. Don't fade away. Heartbeat, echo in the dark, your touch, lighting up the spark. No past, no future now, just us. We're falling down. If I lose the light, I still feel your soul. If the night goes cold, you're the fire.
All right. Sorry, חבר'ה. We have another stickle breaks again. Money phone call. Ze komt sie Geld. Stellt sich auf der Welt. Unfortunately, Schmilly is not the brightest bulb in the box. So it takes a little, but slowly was. Wow, music! Is aber ein Singer. Is aber ein Singer, music. I'm kidding. Zijn co-host, de andere Gebreman, is een Gitter co-host. Een Gitter co-host, gemacht een Gitter, wieso ze kijkt aus. So ja, stark enjoyed. But sie sehen ein Mensch, was ist so-called famous. Und is auch famous, ja? Like, let's be real. Let's call a speed. Is famous. In sie sehen seine human side. Is very, very touching. I don't know how you call it.
Voices calling from the dark.
Yeah.
Watching silence from the heart. Touch me now.
But the Sache is mit der, by the way, just a side note, the Bitcoin in Schmilli. Whenever this eventually geht aufgehen, geht so, ich habe gesucht, Gevre, kauft. Told you.
Calling to the hidden beat, echo dust.
Ich habe ihn gesucht, sie geben mal Touch. Mini.
Rise with us.
Boom. It's very refreshing, yes. So it's a different time. Meaning, 20 Uhr zurück, wenn ihr es gekannt, Motche Ben David, was geht an den Ginem. Hast du nicht herangesehen die ganze Zeit Motche Ben David? Hast du nur gesehen, bei der Chassan, ob das gehad, ob Sarache, Vetter, oder... Wenn du es dem gesehen, hast du dem geliked in a certain part in deinem Brain, von like, oh, Motche Ben David, the star, oder Lipa. Hand, alles ist auf dem Telefon. Piep. Und man sieht den ganzen Tag. So, sie bringt dann an ein Stück human. 912.
Earth is pulling, I go under. Hear the distant ancient thunder. Speak to me.
Echt, nu begon ik ausheren. This is the nigga, though. Afro House 2026. Deep Metallic. Exactly, the celebrities used to be idols, yes. Well, it makes sense, want je lijkt ze eraan, dan kop lijkt ze eraan in Azamin area. Ze lijkt ze eraan in the shelf.
in the dark. No light,
Nächten bin ich gewesen bei einem Store und ich habe gecheckt meine Lotteries.
just the rhythm.
Und ich habe nicht, sie steht sorry, not a winner. Und ich suche für den Gebermann, okay, so gehen wir eine neue Powerball, you know, für den nächsten. Vielleicht wird Wills dieselbe Numbers, wie der one, wo die uns gecheckt. Du kommst jetzt an die fragst, misser. Und ich jetzt kann bereiden, stell dich vor, jene Numbers gewinnt jetzt. So habe ich es gemisst nehmen.
Ancient shadows call. I can feel it all. Follow every beat.
9:14.
Guiding
By the way, how do they review von Tief? Der Gebermann von Netze Schroel, weiß ich, wie alt ist er?
telling where to step.
His positive outlook and how he makes the best of any situation.
Feel it pulling to the ground.
Don't know his name, meaning I don't know him. Turnheim.
To a place I
Babcheski Turnheim. Hab es nicht ausgehört. Und although man kann werden mit dem sehr stark inspired, hab ich das Artikel darf ich sagen. Because er ist in seiner Condition wie er ist, humans geben ihm leeway. So life could be easier. Couldn't er weiß nicht life anything else besides seine Condition. Nicht dass es easy. Und ich nehm gut nicht weg von ihm. It's just. Wenn Menschen sagen, siehst kennst die auch nicht. I don't like that comparison. Weißt du, ich habe die comparison. Weil bei ihm bist du sach mehr lenient versus anybody else. Bist du wie, oh, ich kann gut nicht, soll ich sagen lenient sein. You know what I mean? Nicht wegzunehmen, gut nicht. Nicht wegzunehmen.
spirits rising from below in the places we don't know. Bases pulling me inside. Hear the thunder deep and wide. Speak to me out of the night. We don't need the morning light. Silence on my skin. Where it ends begin.
Aber was wird.
See the way
Ist schon eine Seite. Geworden eine Seite.
my feet will stay.
Mazel tov Yossi. Dann werden eine Seite. It's crazy. Sally. Morning, Sally. How you doing? How you be? Hello and welcome. How's it going?
Step, walk, root, grow. Step, walk, root, grow. Step. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhythm.
We're getting ready for the day. We're getting ready for the day.
Spirit, breathe slowly in me. Feel it rise under my skin.
That's a hypnosis video, music. Der Hypnosis ist gut, wenn Sachen gehen geht. In geht meine chemicals in the cup. So all the chemicals in the cup. Tesla, 398. Ooh, 406. Sam Bam Wham. Hello and welcome. Good morning. It has been a minute. Sam Bam is here.
Every step I follow through, something real, something
Hide your kicks, hide your what?
How you doing?
living deep
Sally, how's it going, Sally?
higher. Let it be. There's no other place to be. Spirit, breathe. Set me
Free. Oh, ASML. Gegangen higher wie 1500. So gebrochen the 1500. Interesting. Aber jetzt ist halten. Waste management. Waste management is I get a company, not financial advice, but I get a company to handling. Garbage pickup is always going to be a thing. Rain is falling, washing me, turning into energy. Good it goes. In silence, I feel something deeper, something real. No direction, no control, just the rhythm of the Spy, 733. We are calling, hear the sound, feel the pulse in the ground. Great to get 7-Eleven. It goes good. Nice. If it's going, it's good. Also wie Sanigen, wie heißt der? Through the Green. Der Herz klappt. Auf tun, Viggy. Ich habe actually ausgehört, gerne nirgends heraufgekommen. Nächten gehen Hektik. Nächten gehen Hektik. In Kopf, of course. Und ich habe gehört, nirgends fest Through the Green. Dein Herz klappt. Und die weiß, dass Sachen klappen nicht. Is good. And I was like, you know what? I'll take the wise words from a wise singer. Inside. Rise. Inside. I don't think this is AI. This is AI? This is Afro. Afroin. I don't think it's AI. Wir suchen euch weh. They treat on Thursday. Ich try to guys, nicht jeden Tag, because I don't want to push it. Don't want to push it. Afro AI. No, I don't think it. Sadly, are you saying this is AI? Not that I have an issue with it, but. Dive into the smooth Afro House journey inspired by black coffee style, blending deep grooves. I'm thinking deep grooves in the zetzes? Joking. Tribal rhythms and emotional melodies, and that keeps you locked in from start to finish. All right. We drift away. Don't fade. Don't fade. Don't fade. No fade. Don't fade. Don't fade. Knocked out, not in, huh? You fall out of the ride. Your breath on my face, I feel you near. You went totally fuckhead when they said keep all body parts in the ride. You're like, heck with this, let me get out. Don't pull away, stay close. Don't lose the space. So half is notable, the process, the progress, the idea. We gotta stick to the plan. Nicht daran zu gehen in a van, weil es offern candies. If you're getting into the van, you might as well enjoy some candies. 9:22. Do a gap. Do a gap. So das müssen darf man replace. Wow, kick on the jump from 659. Herauf zu 671. Let's go. Bitcoin 81. The Zilbit is $81. I'm like, what's happening? Market is on crack, yes. A lesson in the market on crack sein is wenn die meinst, dass das ist heuer, was das bis mir schicken, we'll move it up. But that damn silver is $81. How dare it?
I feel you.
Why? What are you doing?
Even when the world goes quiet.
Even when the world goes quiet. You guys make a riot. Oh. Oil is dropping. It's 91. Droplets. The Sache ist, wenn Oil droppt, fuhrt auf der Markati. It's good that the British is... Who cares about the Britain? Ist nicht in der Stadt. Nur du. Sally, we don't care about the British. We left the British in 1772. John Hancock wrote, signed. He was like, I'll be the first one to leave the British. I mean, you guys in Canada are a province. Still sending to the Queen.
Right here in the silence.
It's again funny when the King gekommen. Der engländische King gekommen zu Amerika. Und ich denke, no Kings rally, yeah? You wanted to speak French, yeah? Also, whenever the war is over, whatever the special operation, keiner nicht in the war anymore. Alles ist special operations. I guess the acronym for special operation is war. Even zich op de straat en we kan geherig deliveren oil. So. Davon einem Drill. Was habe ich gesagt? Drill, baby, drill.
You're the fire I hold. In the silence, I find you. In the silence.
So now what? What do you mean? Special economic operation. That's what I do when I log into my bank account. I make a special economic operation. I'm like, isn't there any, when you go into a store and you ask for an item and they're like, oh, we ran it out. You're like, can you check in the back? That's how I do by my bank. They're like, sir, you have a negative. Can you check in the back? Yes, I see some dollar bills there. Keep it around by me in the account. Whoa, kijk naar de color book. She werden verloren. Even auf de teuren. And if they say, sir, we have nothing in the back, and then a guy next to me or a person next to me puts in a deposit with money, I'm like, see, yeah, I do have money. Lies.
Fading embers in between.
Casino opens in 3 minutes. Sam, huh? So do they video of Jainer today. I don't know what's going on, but it's my first day trading. Ze sind sich on the market. Ik koop. Zweet green. Woo! Zweet rood. Was schon gesucht ist, das Boom. Ich habe einen Freund, der hat, sucht mir, hat Erfahrung mit Apps. Certain apps gewinnt and certain apps verliert Candy Crush, he's killing it. Chase on the other end, not going. He's not winning any levels. He's not winning any levels. But Sam, weißt du, die suchste Casino macht mich gestrachten. That, wenn einer geht daran zu a Casino, but that is a professional poker player, ist es nicht dasselbe wie a Roulette Table. Kenn ich auch nicht doubten. Net nog wat geheet French music. I like a soft French music. I was like, do I need a croissant? Don't try it, Tyler. Homo?
Every step without a sound. Heavy echoes on the ground.
Ze neemt dat zacht, ze zoeken nein. Deze is zacht, ze neemt dat zacht.
Where the fire once has been. Fire never really dies. It just shifts, it just transforms.
23 minutes bis ze de market hebben, toch? We all need a croissant. A consistent croissant, I would want. You know? You want to get stabbed and mugged by a immigrant, but at least you had a croissant. 9:30. 9:30. Don't do us dirty. Let's go. 166. Je haven't for the reversal. AI motivational music. Do you think AI gets motivated by itself? Be like, oh, I just listened to this whole video by myself. I'm so motivated.
In the dark.
Getting motivated.
No light. Just the rhythm.
We all originally come from Africa. Yes. If you look behind everything, we have a stamp made in China. So we all do assemble, though. Assembled in America, Sam. Designed and assembled, you know.
Moving with the spark.
Some of us more than others. You can see it in the pigment, huh? You can see in the pigmentation. We all have the same lives. That's the goal. I mean, we should stop killing ourselves and each other.
Don't lose the rhythm now. Feel it pulling to the ground. Every step is leading me to a place I cannot see. Footprints in the dark. We don't need the light. Footprints in the dark.
By the way, the Godding should do. You don't mind hitting the like button. Goes a long way up. To appreciate it. Make war, then love. If you can't, say yet. Footprint in the dark. You don't need the light, says the machine. Casino's open, Sam. Da Casino. Ze dit zich jetzt wegen the virus. Do they virus, they red poo-poo pee-pee virus. Weiß ich die Nummer. Should I put on red or blue? Sam, just like, macht sie nach Augen. Alles ist controlled anyways. Fight now, ask questions later. Imagine the first two people fighting. They were fighting, and then they were like, oh, we should call this fighting. No. We should call it special operations. There you go. Wars of words. Stupid is the mind guide sometimes, you know. Unsere Seite ist am gedacht Wasser. Gebrochen auf herauf. No, Hashem Geredefin, like back in the day, like the beginnings of the life. Wie lucky in Zemmer. Like in some of Wasser in the sink, in the vase, in the Jens. There is some God Wasserträgers. I saw videos yesterday from 1945 and earlier, like in Germany, Berlin, Russia. Und man sieht, wie so families ricken like wagons. Der Tate schleppt das mit der Strick und der Mama und der Tochter in der Sien pushen das von der Back. Handwollten sind, ich kennt ihn, kannst du riechen. Sadly, that is the virus. It comes from that. I don't know. I don't know the technical terms, maybe. This is how Trump is gonna use it. We took care of their poo-poo pee-pee virus. Flatten the curve.
No horizon in the dark. Only glow a distant spark. Words are heavy turning cold.
Sam, hast du in dem Casino?
But the rhythm never holds.
Just fun, the way you said it. Tacos, baby tacos.
Reach for you through my hand. You dissolve like water, sand.
What's that new virus? This is, wieso ich verstehe, again, don't,
In the frequencies below.
no.
I try to hold the wind.
They throw money again? Not yet. We're waiting until... hopefully. I gotta, darf affordens an EBT. Lotcha nicht kaufen kann Candy. So we need some Nash money. So the virus is kimmt, wieso ich verstehe, in certain rats haben the virus and their uranium and their populations lays around in the air wird infected. And so going up is a cruise and 23 people are sick. So my quarantine or something like that to that effect. Sam said, Zana, wie heißt sie auf your show? You get a minivan and you get a Oprah Winfrey. It was good times. Yeah, free checks, baby. Es hat noch alles aufgetrunken in Preis, but free money. It was good times for me. Okay, listen. If it was good times for Sam, ich die ganze Zeit. Sally. Thank you so much for the Nash money. It's all for Nash, or you put a T in Tash. This one is actually Tosh. Speak for yourself. Thank you, Sally. Much appreciated. Sally, we came to no, was heißt das? A super chat. And I'm like, honey, pack the bags. We are retiring. Kidding. But I appreciate it. Unseen. Frequency. We appreciate it. Thank you. That's why I keep putting my money in my own bank, because I appreciate myself, so I keep putting it in. Joking, but thank you. Thank you for showing the appreciation. That's Canadian dollar. That's worth more than... Sam, es ist echt Arbeit, dass ich darf sie geben. Ich darf sie geben. 53 cents. Und ich habe... Mein Bankaccount ist 0. Ja, ich habe eine Balance von 0. Und ich bekomme $2 von Canada. Habe ich a negative draw.
They say the sky weeps for everything we lose.
But by the way, ich habe gesehen, ergens wie as the Israeli shekel is like 2 something, like so getrasket. It's $1, bro. USA. The strongest currency. Well, yes. We are the police of the world.
Wash it through my soul. Every drop I feel, breaking what I hold. Breathe it in slow.
Rechter voorover. Close and roosten. Reversal, ja?
are washing, we are clean. Through the shadows once unseen. Feel the rhythm take control.
I mean, it's immer Trump. Trump ist gewinnt scharf und man geht machen, wie sie geheißen, der Chinese, Russian, sie geht machen ein Pack und nutzen sein eigenes Geld und Trump gewinnt, like, Haschmittelhaarig, baby.
Feel it running through the soul. With the ancestors, with the flow. Let it go, let it go. Move with the ancestors, move with the flow. Move with the ancestors, let it go.
My best friend is a very big fan. He says it's like Europe. Vushveswa. Sam.
Calling from below.
Social country.
Every step I
Wegen dem kommen sie alle rüber, du.
touch,
Wenn sie darf man etwas
all the storm is
medical,
through the silent door.
without all the camera.
Moving on, we are clean now. We are free now. Let it fall down. Let it heal now. Washing, washing the sky. Washing the sky.
Says anyways, ich kann set up auf Arof, also 105. This is the top step level. So, I mean,
With the ancestors,
for it,
don't stop.
26 months. Okay. Sometimes you can find out stuff when somebody pocket dials you, you know? I had once, I was talking major Lucian hard on someone. Major Lucian hard. Like, the guilty kind. And I look down at my phone and I see that I've been recording this whole conversation on WhatsApp. Like something pressed. And I was like, oh my God, don't move. We need to, had to make sure to delete it. Colorful shorts. Hello, how you dookie? What's going on? How you doing? It's been a minute. There's a thing about this. I can start in a few days. Make a post on live. Hold on a second. Hold on. I'll be with you in a second. Do you think there's a possibility that time can start for a few days
Look closer, feel the glow.
on live?
There's something you don't show.
Order filled.
Run slow through the smoke. Still hear the words you spoke. Footsteps fade in dust.
Colorful shorts. What do you mean?
Shadows that I trust. I feel you passing by. Like a whisper.
You almost fumbled the
in the
bag.
sky.
There was a bag. Almost fumbled it. It's nice. I love this pocket call. You can pocket call me all day, baby.
Through the doubt,
There is a pocket call.
in the space between. Next to me. In the space between. Something I can't see. Stay, don't hide. Stay, don't hide. Feel inside. Feel inside. Stay, don't hide. Stay, don't hide. Feel inside. Feel inside. Hold me in the empty space. Show me a forgotten face. Echoes from the unseen. Moving in the in-between. Drifting where we couldn't.
What goes on the pocket stays in the pocket. Yeah, until you hear something you don't want to hear. You know what I mean? But yes, but I had a very good lesson that not to talk Schmitz, you know?
Go steps underneath my feet. Water moving deep below. No sound, but I still know. In space,
I could continue riffing.
in between.
Putting down the I think we'll stop here.
Space.
Colorful Shorts, ihr wisst, dass ich soll machen a Post, dass ich gehe live. Yeah, it could have been terrible. Sadly, it could have been like, it could have been terrible. Do you imagine that message would have gone through? Our phones is trying to destroy our life, yeah. It's one of those things, huh? But me da watch, careful. Very careful. I like what? But yeah.
Order filled.
No horizon in the dark, only glow a distant spark. Words are heavy, turning cold.
Order filled.
But the rhythm never old. Reach for you through my hand. You dissolve
Okay.
like water, sand. Still I follow where you flow. In the frequencies below. I try to hold the wind.
Nah, ga ik wel zijn, because whatever. Wacht, ga barugerik bij de end van de box, so barugerik. Meaning, because I'm going to be the end from the box. Whatever. Okay. A little Yiddish mime box in our pocket. Sadly. I don't know if I would call it Yiddish mime. I would say more. It could, if somebody has Yiddish mime and he has a phone, then he can reach crazy places. Even if you don't have Yiddish mime but you have a phone, you can reach some crazy places. Question is right or left, blue pill or the other pill? Taking the pill and giving a chill. Hold on. 150. It's a reversal button. The question is, how does a voice note start recording in your pocket? The same way it calls. So it's etwas gedrückt and it's just geblieben by recording. Maybe we should put cities on our phones. It's a rest of corner. When they had Samsung, Apple machen round corners. The influence, baby. But it's good. Sam, das da rausgeben, eins, was kickt aus wie Walnut, alles Guten. Mit Sitzers. Oh, that would be nice. Und gebe eins von Chaimo und jeder hat das noch los. Let me patent it. Für die 14 Cases, wo die Guys verkaufen. Only with the Chaylas. Sadly, funny thing you say about the Chaylas thing. When I got to Israel, I learned all about tzitzas, the Chaylas. Sam hacked the system. So I learned all about the blue tzitzas, and I decided I want to put one on. The reason being is because until then, I always put on tzitzas the same way I put on my undershirt, my t-shirt, my helmet, vestal, tzitzas. It was a part of the equation. But when I put on the blue tzitzas, it was different. So I was like, oh, why do I have blue tzitzas? And it reminded me good for me. I mean, lucky me that I wasn't doing any major avitas to remind me. But it's a good habit. So the bus driver was driving, and there was an old lady at the end of the ride. She walks up to the driver and she says, "Can you do me a favor? Can you open up the window? There might be like a shala from Yiddish." He looks up in the mirror and he's like, "Don't worry, miss."
Don't fight it.
So this do kind of virus do mitzvahs.
Just let it in.
Don't you worry. Digga. Aber es ist ungetein wegen Fashion. Sie geworden Fashion. Sie gewesen Vater-Style, wie jeder gegangen damit. To be quite honest.
In the dust, in the storm, every soul knows a way. Though we drift far away, evening skies in my mind, old memories realign, voices rising by the fire.
I see the hypes like the Talos lately. Was her nice is that good?
Under my feet, where the soul and story meet. No matter where I go, your spirit.
Doing a mitzvah because you choose it consciously, a total different thing.
I feel it in
Yeah.
my soul.
Digga.
Back home. Home. Take me home.
Oh, take me home.
Feel the call. Feel it all.
Boom.
Across oceans,
Ocean.
far away. Still your memory.
For me, it was more of it was such a different thing, and it was also nice. So,
Every place
hippies.
carries
Oh,
power.
die meisten they
Embrace. Mountains rising in my head. Endless skies I never left. Every dream I chase tonight brings me back into your light. Ancient rhythm, I remember. No beginning, no center in the silence. I surrender.
Hippies can say, what is wrong with hippies? Zet zie wat.
Through the silence you speak. Every breath, every step. You're
Ik like the
inside.
tap in the box.
You remain in my soul, in my name. Open door.
Ik zat me niet herangecheckt. They're wearing it in Williamsburg in the north. Oh, the hippies are going through Talaisam. I see what's happening.
Order filled.
Herangecheckt. Oh, gebracht naar draußen. De weer, nu willen ze nog nooit hebben. Nou, maar zeker, als einer het aufgepickt ergens via Talos in der Wacht darin. En ich meine, als jetzt jeder in der Nord geht damit.
We chase
Order
echoes in
Out.
the dust. Build a rhythm we can trust. Voices calling from the dark. Washing silence from the heart. Touch me now before it goes. Like a memory in the flow.
How was trading? Trading is going alright. The question is how I am. But I'm good.
Don't let it fade, don't let go. Feel it
Hat nicht Chaimo gehabt, ein Tag auf seinen Stairs, haben wir gesehen, wie some woman is walking around with a talus, oder mit a walnut talus guten.
The coldest,
Fit it in.
the coldest. Rise with us. The coldest. Feel the trust. The coldest. Rise with us.
Sounded like, I told you once, I don't really listen.
From the ground. Move, 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 move.
To move.
With
Oh,
the sound. Rise, 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 rise.
all right, okay.
Move, 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 move. With the sound.
Noch ich Batzul, pass auf. It looks good on them, huh? It's a fashion statement. So do we ein Tag Batzul, pass auf.
Ground is shaking under me. Still I feel the energy.
You look terrible in a talus. Well, those small prayer shawls.
Opens up the
You call it prayer shawls.
smoke is
I'm not even waiting. You should invite me to your Shabbos morning lunch.
rising this away. Every step inside the night brings the shadow back to light.
Mini dress of
Earth
talus.
is pulling. I go
Good one.
under. Hear the distant ancient thunder speak to me from the ground.
Good.
I am lost inside the sound.
Nothing but a talus cute katan.
Rise with us.
Beide Wegen wird man gewähnt. Up and down. Eins. So. But the question is, ob sie gegangen halb von der Box, also herab. Sie sind der Gate? Nein.
Spirit rise.
Ja, okay.
Open skies.
It is what it is.
Spirit rise.
You'll come to Shabbos lunch. The Regel is auch Shabbos lunch. I feel like we're gonna eat meatballs.
Is what we can't hold.
You know what I mean? And then a little piece of chicken because Bobby, old granny, made every Shabbos a chicken.
I feel you.
You put in onions in the egg salad Shabbos morning. Oei, ich weiß pinklich, wo die das sind. Die kalte onions, huh? And the egg is showing you scooped out for hours. No. Unless they're chopped extremely fine. Huh, do we have a fine schmecker here? Do we have a fine schmecker here? Only fine cuts.
Falls mirrors in my soul.
Riff on a Shabbos lunch.
Cold air, but I'm losing
You
control.
can balance it out with a cherry tomato on top. Ein cherry tomato on top. Herangequetscht.
Everywhere just footsteps vanish in the dust. No past, only what I
Sam, oder another scoop in chopped liver. Never enjoyed it. Oder mit a bell pepper, I didn't geliked. One bell pepper, huh? For Shabbos lunch.
feel you passing by. Like a whisper in the sky.
I make it very light and fluffed egg salad.
Through the silence,
Fluffy egg
through the
salad.
doubt. Hear the rhythm calling out. Echoes in between.
One cherry tomato, 5 sprinkles of dry parsley. Okay.
Echoes in between.
Zijn we both aan Modhouse, huh? Met liver. Ze weet vaak liver, the liver. You never had my chopped liver?
Me what's inside.
I'll give you some chopped liver. You want some chopped liver?
Don't fade.
I'll give you some chopped liver.
We made.
Perfect boil length, no green ring. 17 minutes of cooking. Perfect. Yes, English style. I never liked it. Not something I like. Für mich ist es mehr the temperature in the egg salad. Because by Shalashida's egg salad is much better. All Hungarian food are crazy heavy. If you put mayonnaise and sugar on things, Sally, they're professional cooks. It's a side dish. Same as I get. Stay, don't hide. Da, da, da.
We are still dancing in the space between.
Cold peach apricot compote. Oh, are you talking about, Sam? Are you talking about the was skimmed in a can? Was the peach is sliming around? Is it more slime wie juice? This is mamish abuse in the peach. We can gaan zwemmen ze viel de Yamamelig beach. In the peach fleet dort erin wie a leech.
Caught your eyes for just a night. You said nothing, walked away.
No reversal, no setup, huh?
But your energy stayed. Felt it rising from below.
Så du har Fibonacci?
Something I don't even know.
No, homemade, yes. Now there's one shot right there. Compote with a peach in the bomb. Is the bomb.
When you're close, I feel it.
Compote could become very it could be good and then it could become mango. That's how I would call it. Like mango compote is terrible. Like if it reminds me about my grandmother, no thank you. And it's very close. It's like if you get successful in trading, don't tell me. Sam, het is niet about the trading, was me weet successful. Me weet successful when me honed in the issues, the emotions. It's all about the emotions. It's not about the trade. So that's with compote. If you go to someone's house and they have a thick plastic on the dining room table, those thick ones, and you can see dirt from like last week, don't give me compote.
Like the way you move so free. Like the way you look at me.
By the way, ik ga door. En die man geeft mij hit de like button. Ze gaat een lange, riesige week.
Every breath, every tone feels like I'm not alone. Got me deep in the flow, somewhere I don't control. When you whisper low and slow, feel the tension start to grow.
No, ik ga lief compote.
Closer, don't let go.
But ze doen een fine line als we zeggen. Ze
Somewhere I don't know.
zei
You stay in my space.
it could hit. It's like very close.
Every touch, every tone.
Ich habe lieb Joghurt. En ik heb gearbeitet in een group home. In de Gevram dort gegessen Joghurt. Jene company Joghurt kan ik meer niet kopen. Because one guy ate it sloppy. Dus op de dag staan met liver. I saw a guy eating liver for the first time in my life. And it wasn't pleasant.
Don't say a word.
I rope in the equation.
I can feel it already.
Don't judge me, but I hate potato giggle. I wasn't judging you till now, but Sam.
It's not just touch.
How dare you?
No, it's okay. Dat is je liebom. Potato giggle kan ook het zijn. Kijk, dat is een bricks bij de mensen naam.
Stay here. Don't break it. Just let it move through us.
Sam, what we spoke about today? We spoke about a lot of stuff. Mishmash.
Lost in the time. You stay in my space. You stay in my space. You stay in my mind. Feel it rise.
Sam, zijn grootste mishmash. En zo maar dan aangered a ganze Shabbos. A ganze Shabbos meal. A Shabbos Seder. Very nice reunion. Sam, you're making the reunion, Sam. Diep is de reunion. Diep is de reunion.
Between the sound where the rhythm
With the rhythm.
begins to breathe.
Begins to breathe.
Feel it.
So you gave mine
Under your skin.
Staan voor de schnitzels en giggles.
Fight it.
But Sam, daar schijnt dat ze hebben doen.
Just let
Ze feelt whole again. Ze wacht maar nog van Penny G, Brooklyn. Alles gets. Ob zij willen terugkomen. Sent me a funny video.
your hands on my skin. Pull me slowly in.
Let me see.
No words, just feel something real. Under your touch, I lose control. Deep in the hush, you take my soul. Stay right here, don't move. Don't break the groove. Stay right here, don't change. We're in the same. Under your
This is what all the Canadian pros.
don't let it fade. Under your touch,
We don't need anybody else.
we drift away.
Sam, I'll give it to you, but we can be nice. We can be nice.
Touch, don't fade. Stay right here. Stay between two heartbeats. We disappear.
Nog niet, een tikker weg.
Face,
Wow.
I feel you near.
So,
Nothing to hold, only the night. We falling slow out of the light. Don't pull away, stay close. Don't lose the space, don't go. Time goes quiet, we fall in. Skin on skin. Again.
de MNQ voert daarof. It's going up. It's going up. All time high.
Under your touch.
Sam, ze funny maar zo MN all time high. Maar dat is ook all time by. Alles voert.
Don't fade.
Apple. De oilem is happy voor Apple. Moet je het voor maar zijn.
Can you feel it? Drifting slow. letting go.
That's all-time high. Sam zoekt high. Ze zoekt hem aber bij. Ik zoekt hem nice try. Now go to the corner and cry. I'll go try. Just kidding, I'm kidding.
Now it fades into the air. Nothing left to carry there. Can you feel it slowly change? Like the tide across your veins. Every breath begins to show what we needed to let go. Now I breathe. Now I'm open finally.
Oeh, Apple ook. Ja. Wow. Let me get my kick.
Nothing holding on
Yeah.
to me. Now I breathe.
4 points, 402.
Feel it
Nice.
rising from in me. Now I breathe.
Have a lovely one.
Everything I need.
Sadly, thank you for being here even a minute or two. We appreciate it.
Silence, something moves, pulling me into the truth. No more running.
Appreciate
from
you.
the light. No more hiding from inside. Breathe, release.
Thank you for the super chat.
Breathe, release. Set it free. No return.
Wie houdt Zilber? 81. Wat is Zilber 81? Kim zit erop. There's no fun. Will er zijn bij 40, 30. Over there. Don't make me pull out the gun.
Now I breathe. Now I'm open finally. Now I breathe. Nothing holding on to me. Just breathe. Stay here. Let it go.
Sam, we don't want to get you started. You're not a lawnmower. There's no need to get started anything.
Dust on my skin. Heat underneath.
Yeah, it must be. Because einer was liegt in Silber in Gold in deze Sachen. Zoek mir das. It just doesn't make any sense. Wart bis ich geht see the cost of doing it. Meaning the cost of actual. Wieveel ze kost sie machen Silber? Wieveel ze kost sie drillen Silber en rausnehmen, extracten Silber? Wie rief man das? Da wart für dem. Sind wir antlaufen. Nicht purchase. Cost of production. And it's just pushing higher and higher. Meine da dem drehende Screen. Crude oil, $90. $90 a barrel. Da doe ik hem van 110 up just a few days ago. April 30th is again $107, 110. So wenn Silber geht daarop, hoe de market eraf. Mining. Ja, deze de week. Ja, we hebben niet dat cost of production. Wieveel ze kost voor production is ze maken? Wieveel ze kost voor miners? You can't produce. I mean, you gotta drill for it. You gotta have permits to drill. You gotta have the refineries. So, deze was mijn mind. Nicht machen in a lab. Don't let go.
No need to run. No need to hide.
No need to hide.
Listen your body.
Listen to your body.
Listen the tide. Feel it burn in the rhythm we return. Feel it burn.
So the trucks mit der ganze Sache, mit der Arbeiten, mit der Drill. You have a becher van die Mitzvah might be a good time to sell.
In the depths. We call
Yep.
your name.
Might be a good time to sell.
In the dark.
The question is, die hast einer, was geht das auch kaufen für die $80 an uns? Sie können sagen $80, sie können sagen $1,000, but if there's no one to buy it, you know, it's not happening. So, I'm just saying. Whoa.
The floor remembers every step.
171.
Every move we never said.
Huh?
Traces written in the dust. Long before we felt the end.
So far wat mir ins Hand gewähnt.
Into it,
Eben.
don't explain.
Was?
Let your body lead the way.
Ja. Nicht der letzte, der
One breath close. no
945 one.
escape. Holding on without a name. We stay longer than we planned.
In was ik?
In a place we understand. The
Ja, in die 945 gaan naar EF
where
ook.
we've been
Just,
calls us back again.
that's what I'm saying. Today it's even. Silver's going much higher than 80.
We return.
It's 81 yet, Sam. It's 81 yet. So het is schon met $1.60 meer wie die zoekt. It needs for technology. It's needed for technology. But deze alles stroken te $80.
Under lights that fade from view.
Vergesst nicht, als just, let's go back here,
And everything.
before the ganze debacle do,
Stay connected, still we are.
in Wednesday,
In the quiet
Thursday, September 9, 2025, this is going $45, $42. You know what I mean? Like, there's no reason that says all the gaan as besides for the oilum technically,
signal dies.
you know, guide back and forth. Meaning, oilum traitors.
You don't dance alone.
You don't dance alone. You take out
You
your
never
phone.
did. The floor remembers. We return.
It's 82. 81.50 bei mir, but keiner geht denn nicht $81. Wenn ich jetzt heranziehe, als ja ein Mensch, was verkauft Silber, und sagst dann, okay, wo verkauft man Silber? He doesn't give you $82. You know, I don't think they do. So,
Even when
you get what I'm saying?
think you do. You don't dance alone.
You dance alone.
I am to hide inside the noise,
Digga-digga-dim.
trying hard to fill the void. Always reaching, never there. Always feeling unaware. Every mirror, every sound pull me further from the ground. But I hear it calling now. Something I forgot somehow. Mama said it long ago,
Bidi-bidi-bim.
in the voice I used to know. Through the silence, through the doubt.
So yeah, so I don't know if Havo Zilber is of. Besides us is just Funkun trading of the market versus versus the real Wert. But ich habe auch a personal vendetta against the Zilber. So it's nicht based, it's nicht rooted in, you know, in factuality. If you get what I'm saying.
Now I stop and breathe it in. Feel the softness on my skin, like a memory returning slow to a place I used to know. Before the fear, before the name, before I learned I had the pain, there was freedom in my chest, there was light inside my breath. Before the world told me who to be, I was already whole. Before I learned to be afraid, I was already enough. I can feel it now, coming back.
Talking about all-time high. All-time high. What? We are breaking. What is the vendetta? Wie viel ich kann scheren ist, als ich habe gemeint, dass 75 ist wie der Top guides an. Like I thought 75 is and oh boy was I wrong. But again, ich bin nicht gemeint entirely wrong, weil keiner hat nicht ungekauft an Silber bei $120 a Ounce. You get what I'm saying?
I was always more than this. I'm still enough. Feel it rising in my chest. Ooh, I'm still enough.
You get what I'm saying? Nobody really bite it off. Ich meine, der Hecht hat man gekannt bei jemand hindert for a very short time. Period. You know, a short window.
I don't need to run this time.
Oh, you don't have a vendetta against money, I can tell you. No, it's nicht about second guy visa will gain. Just for me, it's interesting, you know. Digga digga dum bum 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 bum. So it's nicht etwas crazy vendetta. It's just I felt like I got played, you know. Es hat mir gewissen, wo verstehst du?
Slow tonight.
Alright, take game. Digga ding.
Every year I feel it rise. Something shifting in the night. Every breath begins to change, pulling me into the wave. I don't fight it, I let go.
Bitcoin 80.
Running deep below. No more holding, no control. Just the rhythm in my soul. Low tide, low tide. Feel it pulling from inside. Low tide, low tide. We don't run, we let it ride. Low tide, low tide. In the dark I start to see something waking inside me. Not a sound,
It's okay.
not a name, just a flow I can't
Mastermind.
explain. Don't try.
Hello and welcome.
It was never yours to keep. The body knows before.
The bottom of day box 815 is the Fibonacci.
Just
So,
follow where it leads.
yeah.
Stay low,
Mastermind, ik ben happy dat je bist du auch as well.
stay with it.
Es gibt uns die zwei kleine grüne Candles. This is 160 in the box. This is 100.
Feel it pulling from inside. Low tide.
This is 156 sticks in the box. I'm just saying, like, es gibt uns die kleine. It's nicht complicated. Deze was in summer. Gitsen die wil zo naar Marusha hebben met zijn setup. In zijn welke ze meer. Een extra chair deze. Any box over. Dan we zijn weggepresent zich meer. Dus ga je met de meer. Oops is de reversal zet zich over meer. Maar ga je met de reversal. Als ze zet zich over setups. 80% van de time ga je met de setups. Neemt de data. Neemt data. Die schrapt erop. 930 ga je naar L. Van de reversal. I mean van de M. Zeg van de M. En nog een zesde. Weg. Ja. Een nieuwe set van data. Dus een nieuwe set van data. Welke? Ze get meer.
I saw you drift.
You want to reveal tip today when you finish candles?
Slow.
Yeah, I'm saying, like, the minute yet. Mastermind, when you light the candles, have me in mind. How you doing, Mastermind? Go even around checking. Shine it to Angel. Yeah, I'm trying to bring it back a little, you know? Because I miss it too.
No distance in between.
So,
Just the rhythm underneath. When you move, I feel it rise. Like a wave in the
kan du nämna hand? Kan jag nämna det? Meaning,
cold inside. Just
nej,
like a
nej, det är det.
time. Stay
Maar kijk.
close to the rhythm.
Want die wilsnoor zijn weg en ze present zich meer.
Stay close to me.
That's it. In het voelen water.
Feel it moving deeper under your skin slowly. Stay close to the rhythm. Don't let
Mastermind, I would like to, but initiating to kind of review and echt nog eens reviewed. I'm gonna slowly bring it, you know, slowly. Du take we zich daar meer focussen, du take we zich feel focused enough to kind of maken een review ook het gabst. Dikke dam. In zo gaat, zijn is du kan final time. Zijn is du also wie, okay, bis du gaat me live and it's just, it's sort of a massage. Whenever my ending this is, it's never enough. It's never a good time to finish a massage
against the slow.
for the people who never massages.
In the dark we come alive, where the body doesn't lie. Every touch, every tone feels like something we've been shown. Not a place, not a name, just the feeling we became. When you lean into the sound, feel the silence all around.
Huh?
Nothing here to hold us back. Just a moment, just a track. Stay close to the rhythm, stay close to the rhythm, stay close to me.
Yeah, I think so. I think
Feel it moving deeper, feel under your skin slowly.
For was? Mach ich bezahlt. Didn't pay yet. Penny! Good morning, Penny. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Schön, dass Sie sehen, du.
Let it move under your skin.
A waterfall wouldn't sound so great if there weren't rocks in the way. Nice, mastermind.
I'm speaking.
Penny, how you be? How you be? Geblaben vinden we niet langer. Van Penny.
Stay low. Let the body answer.
Walk slow, yes.
Mm-hmm.
10:30.
Stay
Boss?
close to the
Yes.
rhythm. Stay close. Stay close to me. Stay close to me. Feel it moving deep.
Ga vliegen zoek Penny as
Your skin.
it would be nice to see Penny. And he showed up. How you be? How you be? Ga gezien de wordt dus mir geschickt. Ze just ik ben zeer busy, so
Don't move.
didn't know you have a life. Yes. I mean, I'm bringing it back like once, twice a week. Besides Friday. Vraag ik heb ik like gedaan extra effort to gaan live Fridays. Because I want to, ga liep de vibe, ga liep de aanbrengen de weekend / Shabbos, whatever boats the float, you know. But in midden de wacht, I gotta focus. But ze do take like 2 maal ab voor zich veel even kunnen gaan live, zo gaan live. Gewoon nog eens kan sichere dates, gewoon eens kan, you know. I'm not, you know. Ben niet versicherd. But how you been? Hello, gaan 10:35. I will gaan 10:30, but I'll give it a few minutes for Penny. So excited to see Penny.
No words, but I could feel something underneath.
Steve, heel kon. Ja, gezien.
Every step.
Ga doe de geberen man doe. In Steve, we slick me schon.
Rhythm brought you here.
I saw it yesterday.
No distance in between. Just the heat beneath the scene. When you move, I feel it rise. Like a wave I can't deny. Nothing left for us to hide.
Digga.
Just the pulse in the night.
So Penny, so don't feel bad if you miss one. Meaning I also don't really know beforehand how I feel.
Moving closer, slowly now.
But I want to,
We just know how.
I just know that there's no words, only pictures.
Moving closer, closer.
I just noticed on his thumbnails, there is no words, only picture of the guest. Yeah, I will just help him clean, I guess. Do you think a Yiddish podcast can become viral? Viral van wem en van wie? En ik doe... Had je like see de numbers in de roos van de geweld? Absoluut niet. So, in de Goyische welt viral meint ook het geld. In de Jiddische welt viral meint niet geld. So, is this individual stocks? What's the name of the stocks? En ik kan stock, this is the futures, heist das. Ze doen MN. Ze doen NQ en nog doen MNQ. MNQ is weiniger.
I'm not asking for words.
Ik kan financial advice.
I'm listening.
Pray that you own the risk.
Stay low.
A million views.
Stay close.
Ik doe 1 million mensen die redden Yiddish in... You get what I'm saying? Pennies. En ik doe echt... Ze doen de local viral. En jeden bij die kent watch this, you know? Exactly, also wie Mastermind sucht. In der Community kann etwas werden viral, weil einer hat etwas gesucht und einer hat etwas gelacht. But... Dibidibidim. Ich bin nicht, von mir ist es nicht viral. I mean, sie pflegt sein Geld, but it's a lot of work for Zaire. Meaning I'm putting in a lot of effort in the Spaß zu finden, nicht groß. So I had to focus somewhere else. In deze meer als a side project, meaning when ik ben successful, aan te brengen geld and something else, I will bring back the lives more and I'll bring back videos more. I'll do it way more. So yes, Penny. And also, not only English, that's ook het aan the topic that makes sense for the English mention of Sebastian. It has a yearly 10% yearly return. Vos. What are you asking, Mastermind? The MNQ? Het is niet een zaak waar die invest in. Het is een zaak waar ze zich trade. Araan en Aros. QQQ, ticker QQQ is uploads wie die invest. Dat is de S&P. Is de QQQ. Also zoek maar met. Heb je snel ausgeheerd ingezocht. In Pinnibot, wie man kan machen Geld, is ooit Menschen geben der Sure. Kan nog maken ready dan moet zijn account. Hold on. Where the hidden voices lead, midnight moving through my veins, washing out the silent pain. Nothing left for me to hold, just a rhythm in my soul. Don't fight the current. You were never meant to. Wie soll ich verstehen, Mastermind, ist, als man invest nicht in MNQ. MNQ is nur een plaats wie die
Just follow.
Die nutzt es als een vehicle. Macht Sens, was ich so? Die willst investen, kannst du investen in de QQQ. The QQQ. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. So Penny, wie man kan jou machen Geld is super chats and stuff like that. So draußen. And by the way, ich will nicht sound like, much. The people who some gegeben super chats in membership really helped out. So I don't wanna mock it. Like, oh no, so it really helped. So please, I really do appreciate tonight. Bei Nacht ist es schwer zu gehen live, Penny, weil ich sitze den ganzen Tag auf dem Computer und auch die ich bin situated und nicht das. Morgen in der Früh plan ich zu gehen live. Nana Zeiger, this is like 10:30, just daran zu bringen. The weekend / Shabbos, like I said before. Alright, Gevra. Alright. Ik kom in de tijd wie we daarvoor zich zegenen en ik darf zoeken goodbye. Ik kan me niet zien no matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. Vergeet maar schuldig van je duim, zoeken naar lange tijd, akkoord, het staat te vullen deze, maar goed in de andere tab, ik maak mijn YouTube aan de tab, waarom niet? Ik mijn die, thank you. Vergeet maar schuldig voor alle likers, shares, commenters, subscribers, and especially members. Really means a lot dat je bent a member. Ze gaat een lange week. Thank you, Sally, for super chat. Really do appreciate it. Jede penny maakt a difference. Weiß nicht, sehen wir, du Numbers auf den Screen, sie kiegt aus, wie man macht nicht, gar nicht. Wenn wir so machen, nicht der Sache, weil ob sie in der Häusen, lohnt sich es nicht. You know what I'm saying? So, thank you. Housekeeping, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Nana Zeiger live, aanzubrengen de Shabbos/weekend, and we'll see you all there. Thank you all for being here. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.